statistics, scope, applications and distrust. Scope and application of statistics. Application of statistics. In the initial stages of development, statistics was used only by government officials for the purpose of administration, and hence its scope was limited. However, as time advanced, the science became more and more popular and its field of application widened. Now, statistical tools are applied in governments, business, industry, management, commerce, economics, sociology, biology, agriculture, medicine, psychology, insurance. Originally, statistics was used in the state affairs. Later on, it was used in all government departments such as finance, education, population study, transport, post and telegram, commerce, defense, agriculture and so on. There are some government departments like Central Statistical Organization, Registrar General of India, Indian Institute of Population Studies, National Sample Survey Organizations. These organizations collects the data concerned to different fields. The data supplied by these organizations are helpful in framing suitable policies, in solving the problems of food shortage, poverty, unemployment, etc. Statistics in business. Statistical methods are used by the businessmen in making decisions, estimation and comparison, etc. Statistical methods are used in the business activities such as production, finance, sales, accounting, purchase, quality control, marketing, etc. Statistical methods are used in forecasting the future trends and tendencies. Statistics in economics. Statistical methods are useful in understanding economic problems, formulating economic policies. 5-year plans, savings, taxation, exports and imports, etc. and their progress are evaluated by statistical methods. Econometrics is a branch of statistics which deals with the application of statistical methods in the field of economics. Statistics in science. There is a famous saying, "Science without statistics bear no fruit. Statistics without science has no root." Statistical methods are used in astronomy, engineering, biometry, pharmaceuticals and in agricultural science, etc. Misuse and distrust in statistics. Distrust in statistics. Statistics makes arguments stronger. Validity of statistical data depends on the methods of their collection, source from which they are collected, and purpose they are intended to serve. The general tendency to manipulate figures in support of arguments and theories. This is unscientific application or misuse of statistics. Causes of distrust. Figures can be easily believed. Facts based on figures are more convincing, but these figures can be manipulated according to one's wishes. This misguides public, causing distrust in statistics. Ignoring the limitations of statistics. Ignorance creates negative effects on individuals and societies. Misuse of figures. The various statistical methods are tools like knives or sticks. They are also liable to be misused if they fall in the hands of ignorant and dishonest persons. Inadequate samples. The multivariable data sets have two or more features. If too few of these features are chosen for analysis, the result can be misleading. Lack of subject knowledge. Common men cannot handle statistics properly, and illogical analysis of statistical data leads to statistical fallacies. Remedies to remove distrust. Need of caution. We must be alert while conducting statistical analysis, because alertness develops accuracy, and accuracy results in effectiveness of report. Statistical limitations should be taken into consideration. While making use of statistics, limitations of statistics must be taken care of. For instance, statistics should be homogeneous. Self-restraint. We must be confident enough while applying statistical tools and terminologies. Statistics must be used by experts. Statistics should be used only by experts. If they use it carefully and scientifically, the possibilities of errors will be little. Analytical study of data before its use. The data should be analyzed by using statistical devices and techniques, because final decisions are based on analyzed facts only.